Welcome to the SSA tutorials. This clip is to help you with setting up and using free online video conferencing tools. There are several options to choose from. For the purpose of this video though, we have chosen daily.co because it operates based on a web browser, and as such, doesn't require neither you, as a host, nor the attendees, to install any additional software. Though attendees might need to use Chrome browser, as otherwise, some functionality might be limited. Attendees are also able to call in via a telephone. To set up your online meeting facilities, you'd need to create your account at daily.co first. Don't worry though. Only you, as a host, would have to do that. And it only takes a few minutes. On your browser, go to daily.co and click Sign up for free. Type in your email. Come up with your password and click Sign up. Now, you'd need to set up your meeting room. In order to do so, click Create Room button. Type in a name for your room, followed by clicking Create Room. You can create various rooms for different groups and committees across your organization, allowing them to meet and share screen anytime required. Please note that unless deleted, rooms will remain here indefinitely. To access meeting room link and dial-in details, hover over the Rooms bar and click Settings. You may easily copy these to your clipboard simply by clicking the green button below. You may now share your meeting's details with the attendees. All you need to do is paste it in an email. To do so, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. Meeting room access link and the PIN code will remain the same for each of your rooms, hence there is no need to generate new access link every time you wish to hold an online meeting. It is also worth noting that anyone with the link is able to use these rooms for a meeting at any given time. You might therefore find it sensible to set up different access restrictions for each of your rooms. By default, room access is set to public, which means that anyone with the link may enter the room unrestricted at any time. This option is useful for holding generic, non-confidential discussions. For the purpose of this video, we will skip the next option, as it requires setting up for team members, each with a separate daily.co account. Last option, private, requires all attendees to be admitted by the host prior to entering the room. Now you are ready to start your first meeting. On your room bar, click Join Call. You'd need to choose how would you like to join your meeting. You may join on your computer, essentially using your computer audio, and optionally, your computer's camera, or call in on your phone, using phone number and a PIN provided below. When joining in on your computer, you might be prompted to allow your browser to use your camera and microphone. Once your meeting room is up and running, anytime during the meeting, you might switch your camera on and off. Or mute your microphone whenever needed. Do not worry if any of your attendees have misplaced your room's access details. You can always copy these to your clipboard by clicking the green button. A window with a link and dial-in number will appear. Just click the green button below to copy your meeting's details. Your attendees are now able to join your meeting. Should you wish to share your screen, use the button below. You may choose whether you'd like to share your entire screen, or a particular application window that is currently open. We hope that this short video clip was helpful, but should you have further questions, please feel free to get in touch with the SSA staff. We'd be happy to help.